Congratulations on your new Genesis vehicle. Before driving off, let's go over some of the key features of your Genesis to make your drive home as enjoyable as possible. Your smart key fob can remotely lock and unlock your Genesis. The lock button has these raised dots to identify it by feel when in your pocket or in a bag. The unlock button can be found next to the lock button. The rear liftgate can be opened and closed by pressing and holding this button. You can also open the liftgate by pressing this button near the rear window wiper and close it by pressing this button on the inside of the liftgate. You can also approach your vehicle with your smart key fob in hand, grasp the handle to unlock, and pull to open. Be sure to avoid placing your thumb on the door handle sensor, as this may cause the door to lock accidentally. Once seated, press down on the brake pedal and press the start button to turn on your vehicle. Genesis vehicles use driver profiles to save customized settings such as seat position, illumination, and registration with Genesis Connected Services, or GCS. GCS is complimentary to you, and registration allows access to a variety of enhanced in-vehicle features, as well as the Genesis Intelligent Assistant mobile app. When you first turn on your vehicle, you may see a GCS registration screen on your infotainment display. If you have not already signed up for GCS, speak to a Genesis retailer representative for assistance, or register through in-car enrollment. Use the buttons on the side of your seat to adjust your seating position. The steering wheel position can be adjusted by using the button on the side of the column. After these positions have been set, save them to memory by pressing the Set button, followed by the number 1 or number 2 memory buttons. To reset your save position, press the assigned memory button at any time. To register your phone with the vehicle for the very first time, press the phone calling button on the steering wheel for a shortcut to initial setup. Follow the prompts to wirelessly connect your phone using Bluetooth. If compatible, a prompt may appear asking if you'd like to connect to wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Press to enable the service, and it is recommended to allow all contacts and data to sync between your phone and vehicle for feature compatibility. Pressing the voice recognition button, also on the steering wheel, will activate hands-free voice commands. Voice recognition requires an active and registered Genesis Connected Services, or GCS account. To adjust the speaker volume inside your vehicle, you can rotate this knob on the center console or scroll this button on the steering wheel. If it is cloudy, dark, or dim outside, be sure to check your headlight settings. Twisting the headlight control stalk fully forward will manually turn on your headlights, although it is recommended to leave the headlights in the auto position. When you are ready to set off, press down on the brake pedal and turn the shift control knob clockwise until D for drive lights up. For reverse, turn the knob counterclockwise until R lights up. Press the P button in the center to place the vehicle into park. For easy visual confirmation of gear selection, the instrument cluster will display the currently selected gear just above and to the right of the speedometer. If you release your foot from the brake pedal and the car does not move forward slowly, the auto hold feature may be on. Press the auto hold button on the center console until the light turns off, and your vehicle will now move forward slowly when the brake is released. Now that you've seen some of the key features of your Genesis, it's time to finish final delivery of your vehicle and get on the road. For any questions or concerns, your Genesis retailer is always available. Or consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual. Thank you for watching, and welcome to Genesis.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.